Hi, I'm Carrie with the CPQ experts at Renaissance Tech. Today I'm going to be showing how quick and easy it is to create quotes and place orders in Infor's enterprise quoting portal. I'll be acting as a dealer for a door manufacturing company, but you can give access to any internal or external users who need to create quotes, approve quotes, or place orders that flow directly into your ERP system. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so we're going to go ahead and exit our home page here, and we are going to select create a new quote, and then we're going to select a customer. From there, we can also select a contact if there's a specific contact we're working with at that customer account, and then a ship to address as well. We can enter a PO number, and then we can also name the quote as well. Easier to keep track of things this way. And then we can request a ship date for this order. Okay, so now that we've got some basic quote information filled out for this summary, let's head into our product catalog, take a look at what we've got. So may or may not be relevant depending on, your product offerings. But in this case, just to show, we have the capability of having an entire product catalog with different categories and subcategories we can filter by. We'll say today, I already know what I want to do. So I'm going to just type it in up here at the top. And it takes us directly to this wood door. So we hit select on that. We have the option down here. If we know exactly what we want, we can enter in this information and it'll just automatically configure that for us. But if we need to get a little bit more specific, we can just go right into configure. And this is going to load up the configuration panel here. You can see on the left is where I can start making some different selections. On the right, once I answer a few of these questions sufficiently, I will have something a little more exciting pop up on the right there. We have our 2D image that's now pulled in, so we can proceed to dimensions. So we can go ahead, we'll update the height, the width and the height. We can adjust the style width, and all of this is being dynamically reflected as I go through and make these selections. Let's say we want glass panels on this door. So just a quick view, this is our final door here. We can go and look at the detail panel to show our pricing here, all of our options that contributed to this total price here, and down, if you can see it in the right-hand corner. And then we also have our bill of materials as well that comes up in this model, just so you can see what that looks like. So we'll click finish on this. It'll take us back to our quote page. So from here, we can view a quick summary of our product. We can also update quantity. If we decide, hey, customer needs 50 of these doors, we can put that on there. If we're happy with the quote at this point, we can go up here to this print tab. We can email a copy of the document. If we go to generate document, we can generate a PDF and download it. If the customer, if they want to change an option and it's just, we'll say we want to remove those glass panels, let's go to change options here. It takes us right back into our configuration. So you can see here all of the options that we selected previously are still loaded into here, but we can just go right here to the panel, make this quick change, and then click finish. It reconfigures, updates our quote with our new changes and our pricing change. So if we're happy at that point, we can convert this to an order, which we'll get to in a minute. Or if the customer would like to take a look at two options of this quote, if they want to see, the 50 doors with glass panels and then without, go right over here. And then we can say create version. So it copies over the quote that we just did, but you can see there are two versions now, 1 and 2. We're on 2. So we'll say version 2 for this one. Now all we have to do, like I already showed, we'll go into change options. Okay, and then we will go back to our dimensions and we'll say glass panels back again on this one. All right, so now it reconfigured that for us. You can see version 2, we're at this 17,500. We go back to version 1 with no glass panels, we're at 5,000. So if the customer decides, you know what, I want those glass panels, we can go back to version 2. We'll say convert to order, confirm yes, and then place the final order right here. Lets us know our order has been submitted. And if you choose to have enterprise quoting connected to your ERP, this order information flows directly into the ERP and also generates the bill of materials and work order as well. All right, hopefully this has been a helpful demonstration of putting together a quick quote and order in enterprise quoting. We'd love to chat more. If you're interested, you can reach us at contact@renaissancetech.com.